The more you live for approval, the less you live at all. Everyone has an opinion about your life. They'll tell you who to be, what to choose, what you should love, and who you should become. But opinions are only noise. Until you start listening. The moment you live for approval, you stop living for yourself. Their voices get louder. And your purpose gets quieter. You don't need their validation. You need your direction. So stop adjusting your life to fit someone else's expectations. Let the world talk while you walk your own path. If you're ready to live for yourself, follow this channel. Let's build confidence, purpose, and independence together.